that takes place. They want to decide which roads will get fixed and the order of priority. They want to decide how the funds for education will be allocated. So for me, I know that it is critical for us to have a broad-based consensus, and I know that persons from the communities will be reaching out, because I have not been sworn in as yet, and persons are already calling and asking me, when are we going to have a meeting to discuss these issues? I am already getting calls. I'm being asked about town hall meetings. I am being asked about critical issues. And I've said it before that I believe when you have a constituency that is so charged, that is so really interested in making sure that the constituency is developed and developed well, you get more done, because it keeps me on my P's and Q's. It makes me know that there is no room for complacency, because persons are sitting there and watching and waiting to see how we address the needs and how we address the issues.